for Meal Prep Sunday today. We had a brand new Food Basics just open really close to us, so we're testing out the produce and we're gonna test out, basically do a full grocery shop, and we're gonna bring you along for the meal prep and the cooking, and we're just gonna have a little bit of fun. We have been doing Meal Prep Sundays for, let's say, quite a number of months now, where we basically, he cooks everything for the week, lunch, dinner, and we've actually started prepping breakfast as well. I'm just gonna be the passenger princess of the day, actually. I'm the assistant. I do some helping and chopping, but it does make for Sunday being quite a full-on military operation when it comes to food prep. So it helps make sure I'm fed and make sure that he's fed. Don't you feel good when you prep your meals during the week? And
I feel great. I'm not a mama, but I'm hungry.
You're hungry. This is crazy. $1.50 for strawberries, $3.99 for raspberries. Looks good.
I think it's
That's a lot of chicken. Here we go. Looking good. I think that'll be enough olive oil.
bigger than my head.
All seriousness, that whole thing's $30, so we're getting it.
It'll last us a week.
Al makes our meal prep plan for the week on ChatGPT, and we told ChatGPT we're going to Food Basics to make us a grocery list. It is so easy and straightforward. We are ripping through this grocery store. Everything in moderation.
I'm on a quest to find the best original just salted potato chip.
From Food Basics.
Wow.
Because you already have a favorite.
I do have a favorite. It's the Kettle brand. It's not an ad.
Okay, we're gonna compare the bills to our normal groceries. $276, that's every single meal for the week, well, for 4 days. But breakfast, lunch, and dinner for two people. No, so yeah, 5 days. Yeah. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I think that's at least $50 cheaper than Farm Boy. Whoops, we left the grocery store and forgot sweet potatoes. I'm gonna run back in. Just had the biggest struggle bus. Put the potatoes in the bag rips, potatoes all over the floor. I'm gonna peel them, it'll be fine. Okay, this is what's going on for meals this week. I'll run you through the plan here. We've got overnight oats happening here. We've got banana, a strawberry, and a blueberry. This is our lunch. Actually, I'm gonna let you explain because I don't actually know what it is.
We've got a Southwest chicken salad. We got a Southwest chicken salad. So we're gonna do roasted corn,
nice.
Smoked chicken thighs on the smoker, and we've got a bit of a Southwest sauce going on with it, black beans.
Greek yogurt.
A little Greek yogurt to make the Southwest sauce.
And our crazy olive oil. This is dinner. I do know what this is. We've got sweet potatoes, broccoli, and some more chicken that we're gonna do on the smoker, chicken thighs. And this is our dinner tonight. We're gonna do a smoked salmon on the smoker. We're just gonna throw it all on the smoker. We're gonna make a salad, and we're gonna do some little potatoes. What are these?
Dinner.
This is a snack.
Oh, snack.
You can't forget our baby girl's meals. We're gonna make her a mashed sweet potato with cinnamon and butter, and we always make a little mashed avocado and some yogurt, peanut butter, and chia seeds. It is smoking hot outside at the smoker. What's going on here?
We got a bunch of chicken thighs smoking here, so I'll show you what we got going on here.
Ooh.
Leave them on there for about an hour, and we'll have dinner for the week.
Okay, broccoli is chopped, sweet potatoes are peeled. We've got all the broccoli. We're gonna add olive oil. Gonna carry this thing like a baby. Things are looking good. All right. You outdid yourself. A few moments were not captured. One where you dumped all the chicken on the ground.
6.
6 of them, sorry. The other where you smoked my toe with a salad bowl and I might have broke it.
Oh, you might get an update later at the hospital.
It's rough out here. What's this coat hanger situation?
This the coat hanger?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a meat probe. It's like a thermometer.
Oh, really? Wow. This is why I'm not cooking it. Okay, we've got
Some
smoked salmon.
Smoked salmon
Coming in hot.
So I'm just gonna put the probe in. They recommend doing this while the barbecue's going.
Now we've just come home to finish the meal prep. We did the smoker at Elle's parents' house, which was so fun and so helpful. And now we're finishing our overnight oats. I'll show you the final product. Okay, we've got strawberry peanut butter, we've got blueberry, and then we have banana peanut butter, but I'm gonna add the bananas in a couple days when they ripen. Okay, this is pretty satisfying. We've got our salads ready for the week. We've got our dinners ready for the week. Our breakfast ready for the week. A couple more salads tucked in there. Mom and Dad are going to sit out on the balcony after Dad did all that cooking. Kind of left you hanging there at the end. We really had to rush to the finish line because she had to go to bed and needed a bath. Honest review, what would we change? I'll link the recipes in the description, but we decided
Maybe a bit overcomplicated.
Yeah, we got excited about the smoker, we got excited about a couple recipes. It kind of turned out to be a bit complicated. A lot of chopping, a lot of ovens, a lot of a smoker, so it tastes incredible. But we need to simplify for sure next time. Thank you for joining us for a fun day of grocery shopping and meal prep. And honestly, meal prep has really helped us a lot. Just stay on track and be organized during the week and making sure that we're fed like healthy, wholesome foods. And yes, we will of course order pizza one night and probably go out to dinner on the weekend. But everything in moderation, and we always feel great when our meals are made and ready. And I find it really helpful as a mom just being able to go in and grab a lunch quick without thinking, stuff my face quick, and I know that I'm getting healthy, wholesome food. So we're so thankful for you. See you next time.